Well, here we have the interior of this beautiful 1997 Autosleeper Legend 2.5 turbo diesel. I've just done an exterior video which hopefully you'll have watched first. Just to confirm, it is the 2.5 turbo diesel with power steering, electric windows and heated seats. Heated seats, everything works. Very light power steering and only 59,000 miles, that's guaranteed. I've covered 182,000 miles in it myself and can confirm it drives beautiful. Face-off CD player, 5-speed manual. It's never been smoked in. The ashtray's never been used. Well, it's certainly not being used for ash anyway. A full set of keys. So you've got the captain's passenger swivel seat. And it's the very desirable long wheelbase with the U-shaped lounge. Quite straightforward. 2 clips either side. There we go. And that just pulls out to make your bed. And those 2 cushions go in the middle like that. The side cushions just flop back. And that's your absolutely huge double bed. Very, very comfortable lengthways or widthwise for 2 adults. Well, there's certainly room for, well, 2 adults and 2 small children, or 3 adults, that's for sure. It is absolutely magnificent. Of course, the Autosleeper build quality, I'll keep using this word, is legendary, which is particularly apt with this particular model. Everything works as it should do. I'll open that cupboard last because that's got the paperwork in. I think you're getting the idea. Everything is like new. Perhaps the most important cabinet is the wine glass and wine bottle holders. Carver hot water. That's just going through the test mode. Smoke alarm. All the lights work as they should do. You've also got the spotlights. A 3-way Electrolux fridge that's working on gas. In fact, I think that's on gas as we speak now. Yes, it is. As you can just about see the pilot light there. That's working on gas. I can confirm that's icy cold. And you've got an ice box that's also cold. It also works on 12 volt while you're driving, or mains when you're plugged in. You've got the Carver 3600 space heater, which works on gas. And you can also operate the blown central heating, which comes out the bottom there, as well as the rear there, and also in the shower toilet area. So in the wardrobe you've got the table there that fits like so. You've got the 2 leg tables that go there, so you can put the big table in, which takes the whole of that space up, or you've also got the option a smaller table like so. This is absolutely spotless. This will stand up to the fussiest of inspections. There's not a mark, a tear, there's no odours. As you can see, it's had overmats fitted. Absolutely spotless underneath. Well, there's more cupboard space in this particular model, than there is in an IKEA showroom. And that's a slight exaggeration, but you get the idea. Mains hookup cable. Lots of accessories for bicycles, chains, spur bulbs, all supplied. I think you're getting the idea that it's been looked after. This particular light will only work on the mains. That's an Autosleeper design, so at least you know if that light's working, the mains is plugged in. We've got spare keys, and as you can see, everything's diligently labelled up for all the external lockers. We've got fobs for the alarm. I have checked, I think, was it on one of these, that you can just about hear. That turns the alarm on and off. Again, I've been in the industry 25 years. If it works, it's a bonus. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I certainly won't be warranting an aftermarket alarm on that, but if it's there, it's a bonus. And there's the kitchen area. Just one thing to note, that small table also doubles up as extra space for the kitchen area. So again, you can have it configured this side, that side, or it just fits into here, like so, and that gives you extra surface area for the kitchen. Everything's thoroughly well designed, so they just clip like that. Hot and cold water, chopping board, again very well designed. 4-ring gas hobs, self-igniter, no messing with matches. All very simple and straightforward to use, as I've just been doing it and using it one-handed. There's your grill, absolutely spotless, and so is the oven. More space underneath the kitchen sink. Cupboards, gas override safety valves, an electric fan, fire blanket. It has even got the unused original Autosleeper dishes, cups and plates. How nice is that? Masses of cupboards and space. It just clips like that. We've got a foil mat for the front windscreen, as well as the chrome ladder to get on the roof. And on the roof you've also got luggage space. I know fishermen like taking the fishing tackle away in this particular model, put it upstairs on a roof rack, and you haven't got to worry about the smells. Fire extinguisher. Shower and toilet. Here's the shower area. Again, absolutely spotless, in great condition. Again, all the lights work. Shower curtain, blackout blind, hot and cold water. You've also got, it's a bit tricky because I need 3 hands now, one on the camera, one on here and one on the tap. I'll do my best. I'll just put the phone down. As you can see there is the shower. It just clips like so, and that folds up and the water then goes down the drain. Toilet roll holder, swivel Thetford cassette toilet with flush. Everything operates as it should do. The only things I can find on this particular one, being super fussy, is the midge nets on the roof vents are just a little bit lazy. So you can actually close the midge nets by just putting your finger in there and manually closing it. And that goes for the front as well as the rear. It is a common thing on these. I suppose you could go to Autosleeper, but it'd be very expensive for the sake of a lazy midge net. They do close. The blackouts work as they should. Again, very easy operation. For the roof vents to get some fresh air inside. All in all, a very, very nice, in fact, I would say the best condition I've ever seen for a 17-year-old motorhome. It's absolutely stunning. I'll be happy to deliver this anywhere in the United Kingdom before payment is asked for. I am that confident. The first person to see this will fall in love with it. And if you're happy, payment can be asked by a banker's draft, or online is normally the easiest method, or we can go into the bank and transfer funds, and then all I ask is a lift to the nearest train station. I can't be any further than that, or confident that you'll go ahead with the purchase.